Rivers State Governor Gov Fubara don tok say the level of relationship wey suppose exist between them and the Oil and Gas Free Zones Authority concerning the ONNE Free Zone and Ikpokiri Green Island go dey devoid of charity gestures. Governor Fubara talked this one when the Managing Director of Oil and Gas Free Zone Authority, Senator Tijani carry members of management come for one courtesy visit to Government House for Port Harcourt on Wednesday, June 21, 2023. The governor tok say his administration no go leave any stone unturned to create ogbonge business environment for all investors, and say them go see how the issues wey concern the development of structures and full utilization of the Ikpokiri Green Land for Ogubolo local government area go become benefit for the state directly. The governor still tok say them dey only remember them when they see something wey they want collect from Rivers State, and the Oil and Gas Free Zone ONNE never contribute anything to the welfare of the state.
We are only remembered when there is need to explore from River State. Oil and Gas Free Zone ONNE has never, and is not even contributing to the welfare of this state. You know, you heard him. We have to sit down and look at all those things where we can come in. Because this time around, it's business. It's no longer charity as usual.
The Managing Director of the Oil and Gas Free Zones Authority, Senator Tijani tell the governor of the levels of support they go need from the state government to put to full use of Ikpokiri Green Land as economic free zone. Senator Tijani constitute mouth for the many opportunities of wealth and job creation and the number of investors wey don already ready for the zone if Rivers State government go take advantage of the area to support Oil and Gas Free Zone Authority for the development effort.
It is for critical and beneficial to Rivers State government, the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that the state government partners with OGFZA to put Ikpokiri, a very green and virgin land, into use, so that we attract further investment in Nigeria in general and in Rivers State in particular.
From Port Harcourt, MD of OGFZA, TMC TV News.